we need to talk about the F major chord. Now, sticking with the F major guitar chord shape might seem pretty tricky at first and really tough, but it's really worth it for beginner guitarists. And here are 6 reasons why. And for me, number 5, I think, is one of my faves. First of all, I think this F major chord shape, the one that I showed you on day 14 of this beginner guitar challenge, uses what we call a mini bar, which means you'll use your index finger to press down multiple strings. And in this case, you're pressing down on the 1st fret of the E, the 1st string, and B, the 2nd string. And this is really great for building finger strength and dexterity. Lots of songs with this F major chord, you'll find it in a ton of songs across different genres, and learning it means you'll be able to play a lot more music. Now, this F major chord shape nails your technique, I'd say, and getting this F major right requires precise finger placement and pressure. Mastering it helps you develop good playing habits. Music knowledge. Now, learning this chord helps you understand how chords and the fretboard works, because this F major chord shape is one of those chords that is movable, meaning it can go up and down the fretboard. Let me show you what I mean. So for example, imagine you're playing a song or you're learning a song and it requires the F sharp major chord. And so sharps basically mean you go up 1 fret. So if this is F sharp means you go, well, pick up the whole thing or slide up the whole thing 1 fret. So this is now F sharp major. Now, supposing your song needed an A flat chord. Well, at the 5th fret, this is A major. Now, flats mean to go down the fretboard. So A flat would mean going down 1 fret to the 4th fret. And there's A flat. So this F major chord shape is not just one chord, but many. Now, I think this shape boosts confidence, you know, and nailing a tricky chord shape like this F major can really skyrocket your confidence, you know, making you more eager and a lot more confident when, you know, tackling other guitar chord challenges. And I think confidence is so important when playing. Now, this chord prepares you for full bar chords. Now, this F major chord shape here, it's a great stepping stone to full bar chords. You know, once you get this particular shape down and you get used to playing, you know, 2 strings with 1 finger, other bar chords will be much easier to learn and to get the hang of. And there are a couple of other bar chords you're going to need to learn. Now let's try a little chord progression. This is a 12-bar blues chord progression in the key of C major. So you'll be using C, F and G major chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep at it. Mastering the F major chord will make you a better guitarist and open up a lot of musical possibilities. Now, if you want to practice the F major chord with a full backing track, then click the link right here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy strumming.